राज्यात वाडट्या अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक तशेंच रस्तो येरादारींत शिस्त हाडपाक तरणाट्यां मदीं जागृताय हाडपाची गरज आसा. रस्तो नियमांचें उल्लंघन चडशे कॉलेजींतल्यान निकतेच पास जाल्ले भुरगे ना तर सळसळपी युवा पिढी करता म्हण येरादारी पुलीस उपनिरीक्षक रामकृष्ण मंगेशकार हांणी सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
Basically, आमचे कितें चड वॉलंटियर्स among the middle age group who are just passed out of school, going school, college students. They in their rush of blood they drive fast without caring for safety. So it is from their parents and at school level also they should be told about the dangers of rash and negligent driving. Therefore, they should follow road discipline, going on proper road with safety, with wearing helmets. Don't cross the lanes. Don't overtake from the left. And the vehicle dealers they should ensure that while they are giving vehicles, they should number plates should be there proper. We have often found that the number plates are not proper, and it is a very serious concern because if there is no uniformity in numbers, then it becomes really difficult for law enforcement to detain them. So
why there are so many accidents on the road?
See, first thing is road engineering is one aspect which needs to be properly reviewed every time. Especially light, there should be proper lights. Then pedestrian markings. All this should be taken care of first. And as usual, the road users, especially motorists, they should follow safety measures like wearing of helmets, very utmost important. Then wearing seat belts. Then going on the proper lane, not crossing lanes. And the younger generation, they should understand by reading newspaper. They should see what the aftermath of it if something happens. They should understand, and it all should come from parents, from school teachers. It should be a regular exercise.